Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## tutorial on numpy.zeros in Python. Numpy.zeros is a function provided by the numpy library in Python that creates an array filled with zeros. This function is particularly useful when you need to initialize an array with a specific shape and you want all elements to start with the value 0. ### key features of numpy.zeros. Shape definition: you can define the shape of the array using a tuple. Data type: you can specify the data type of the array elements using the type parameter. Multidimensional arrays: you can create multidimensional arrays easily. ### syntax. Shape: an integer or tuple of integers defining the desired shape of the array. Type: optional, the desired data type for the array. Default is float. Order: optional, whether to store multidimensional data in row major, C style, or column major, Fortran style, order. Default is C. ### examples. Below are several examples demonstrating how to use numpy.zeros. ### example 1, creating a 1D array of zeros. Output asterisk. ### example 2, creating a 2D array of zeros. Output asterisk. ### example 3, specifying data type. Output asterisk. ### example 4, creating a 3D array of zeros. Output asterisk. ### example 5, changing the storage order. Output asterisk. ### conclusion. The numpy.zeros function is a versatile and efficient way to create arrays filled with zeros in various shapes and data types. It is an essential function for initializing arrays when working with numerical computations, especially when preparing data for machine learning or scientific computing tasks. ### additional resources. NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable. NumPy user guide, https://numpy.org/doc/stable/user/index.html. Feel free to explore more about NumPy and its various functionalities for effective numerical computations in Python.